Welcome to the How to Submit the Area Source Boiler Electronic Notification of Compliance Status Report using the Compliance and Emissions Data Reporting Interface. You will learn how to navigate and log into EPA's Central Data Exchange and CEDRI, how to create your Area Source Boiler Notification of Compliance Status, how to edit and enter information into your Notification of Compliance Status, how to submit and certify your Notification of Compliance Status, and how to review your submitted Notification of Compliance Status. To begin, you will navigate to the Central Data Exchange at cdx.epa.gov. Once you get there, you will log into the account using your user ID and password. After logging in, you will come to the My CDX web page. Here you will see you are registered for the CEDRI program service, and you will click on the role you are associated with. I will click on Certifier. After clicking on your role, you will come to the CEDRI landing page. Once you're here, you will then go to Create New Submission Package to start creating your report. After I click Create New Submission Package, I will then have to insert a package name. After I input the package name, I will then need to select my facility that I'm associated with in the drop-down list. After I select the facility, I will then click Set Facility. After I set my facility, I will then need to add a mailing address associated with my facility. If it is the same as the facility address, I will click the checkbox for mailing address is the same. If not, I can fill out the required fields below if there are any changes. After that, I will click the Save Changes button. After I've entered my facility details, I will then select the subpart for which this report is under. For the Notification of Compliance Status, under the Area Source Boiler Rule, it is associated with Part 63, 6J. So I'll filter the results by typing in 6J. I will then click the checkbox next to subpart 6J and then click Apply Subparts. After I've applied the subparts, I will click the drop down and I will then be able to select the reports for which I need to submit. I will click the Air Emission Report citation for 63.11225A4, which is the Notification of Compliance Status report required under the Area Source Boiler Rule. I click the checkbox and then I will click Apply Report. Now I will have the option to create and edit the report. I will click that button. Once I get to the CEDRI forms, I will then create a new form. After I've clicked Create New Form, I will then be taken to the notification required under 63.11225A4, the Notification of Compliance Status. After I read the form instructions, I will click Next Page. Now I will need to input my data in the Notification of Compliance Status, and if I need assistance filling out these fields, I can go to the Boiler Compliance website listed below the title of the report. I will start filling out my report now. Once I've filled out all of the data fields in the report, I will then be able to input any additional information in the text box located at the bottom of the form, or I'll be able to attach a PDF with any additional information. If I do not have any additional information, I can mark this form as complete. After I do that, the report status changes to complete, and then I will now be able to submit the report. Once I click Submit, I will have to certify that this document is true, accurate, and complete, and I'll have to accept the statement on the screen. After this, I will have to use my login account to log back into CDX to verify my report. I will then need to answer a security question provided to me. After that, I will then click the Sign button to sign the file. After I clicked Sign, I will then be taken back to the welcome page for CEDRI. I will see under Pending Submissions my notification of compliance status for my area source boiler. After that, I will then be able to review and see the report using CEDRI History. If I want to see the report, I can click CEDRI History and then see that I submitted my notification of compliance status report and that it was signed and that the date it was submitted. If I want to view it, I can click View. In this how-to, you learned how to navigate and log in to EPA's CDX and CEDRI, how to create, edit, and submit your area source boiler notification of compliance status, how to review your submitted notification of compliance status. If you need any help with the area source boiler rule, please visit the Boiler Compliance website, or if you have any questions regarding CEDRI, please email them to cedri@epa.gov. Thank you.